In this video I will show you that how you can use multi-screen in your phone. Two screens in one screen. So first you have to go to Play Store. Then you have to search double screen multi-window. Then you have to install this app. Floating apps, free, multitasking. Install. This is an amazing app which can just change your phone look. This app contains many features in it of multitasking, and this company has made more apps like this also. Let it install. This app is very useful to you, to everyone. You can use two apps at the same time, at the same window, but in two different screens. Okay, it is installing now. Then you will open it. You will tap on next, next, and grant permission. Allow, then next and next. Close. Now it is on. Now you can do anything. You will open any app, then you can see here upside this thing. You can just put it anywhere, tap on it, then when you will tap on it, then it will show you these apps. You can use these apps. I will open the second YouTube, so you can see it is open in this window. I can do my work here also, and I can do my work here also. This is the multitasking. I am watching one video here.
You will
Then
select this background.
I can watch second video here.
Okay.
Then you can
I will give
also
link
increase
for this
the
background.
size.
Also,
You can
you
see
will
here.
download it from the link.
In the background you can do your work, and here you can watch the video.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक टाइम टेक्नोलॉजी चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए.
Here you can watch the video,
How you
and
can make
other
your
side you
phone
can do your work.
like Windows 10. So first you
can
have to go to Play
minimize
Store.
it,
You have to install
and you
this
can
app.
open it
Square
anywhere.
Home 2 launcher Windows 10. You can see here
This is the
it is easy and powerful.
okay. So you can also do anything. I will show you many apps. Now you will tap on cross. Now this window you can tap here. You can do these works at the same time. Here is a game also, dice and coin, active games, active windows, favorites, file browser, notes, bookmarks, launchers, list, tally counter. This app has many features. Here also upside you can just change its settings, but you don't need to change it. So here is a music player that will search the music in your SD card and play. Then you can do one work here and second work here. That is the multitasking app. So subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, and if any questions you want, you can ask in comments.